Hey yo, Kendall, you ready?
Yeah, ready for what?
We gotta educate the masses about hoop coming.
What? How do they not know about the biggest party of the year, dude?
I don't know, man. It boggles my mind.
I don't know, man. Well, let's go ahead and tell them. Yo, check it. Me and Alpha B taking control of the mic, and you know who coming, blowing the roof off tonight. So guys, grab your ladies. Ladies, grab your guys, cause you know we going hard and we aiming for the sky, yo. No need for Justin Timberlake suit and tie. You can wear neon and you'll be looking fly. Just get your tickets now, don't wait too long. You can trust me, man, we wouldn't tell you wrong.
Change donations. Change donations. If you see it, really can. Give them your change donations. Neon faced it. Neon faced it. Neon faced it. Neon faced it.
Set up by Miss Mac, so it can't be whack. Just stating facts for y'all that can't keep track. Miss McIntyre is her real name, but I call her Miss Likefire cause this is my game. I'm just kidding, you know that's how we play. $5 tickets and it all goes to relay. Trying to save a life and give a person another day, so they can dance with their friends like you and me.
Change donations. Change donations. If you see it, really can. Give them your change donations. Neon faced it. Neon faced it. Neon faced it. Neon faced it. When I say Berkmar, you say Patriots. Berkmar.
Patriots!
Berkmar.
Patriots!
Yeah, I like that. Just ate a bag of Cheez-Its, asking myself why this cancer still exists. Hopped up on the White Boy Wasted remix, so I'm ready to get super reckless. I got a neon craving. Hoop coming, I gotta start raving. Party of the year, it's gonna be crazy. Plus I'll be there, so it'll be amazing. Party of the year, it's gonna be crazy. Plus I'll be there, so it'll be amazing. Party of the year, it's gonna be crazy. Plus I'll be there, so it'll be amazing. Party of the year, it's gonna be crazy. Plus I'll be there, so it'll be amazing. Change donations. Change donations. If you see it, really can. Give them your change donations. Neon faced it. Neon faced it. Neon faced it. Neon faced it. Stupid faced it, feeling like a dummy. Bass boosted, feel the rumble in my tummy. No suit and tie, so don't come just bummy. Change in our hands and I ain't talking about money. Come through, you know it's worth it. Hoop coming, the party for a purpose. Hands to the sky, yeah, I call that earthless. Get crazy, but don't get shirtless. Show you about playing some love. They're out there every day and they winning for us. Word to Lil Jon, turns out for what they winning and we're partying. That's a slam dunk, A-OK.